Today I'm going to teach you how to send Google Forms responses in Google Sheets to an email. This is incredibly useful when you need to share form data with team members or clients who don't have direct access to your Google Drive. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Google form. Once you're in, look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Responses. This tab shows you all the submissions your form has received. Within this section, you'll notice an option that says Link to Sheets. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is what connects your form responses to a spreadsheet, making it easier to organize and share the data. A dialog box will appear with a couple of options. Click on Create a new spreadsheet. If you want to customize the name of your spreadsheet, you can change the title right here to something more descriptive that fits your project. Once you're satisfied with the title, click Create. This action sets up a dedicated Google Sheet that will automatically populate with all the responses from your form. Now, you'll need to wait a moment for the new tab to open. Google is processing the connection and preparing your spreadsheet. Once it loads, you'll see the Google Sheet that's now linked to your Google form. All your form responses will be neatly organized in columns here, making it easy to review and analyze the data. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, hover over or click on Email, and then select Email this file. This is the feature that allows you to send the spreadsheet directly to someone via email without needing to manually download and attach it. A new window will pop up where you can configure how you want to send the file. In the top field, input the email address of the recipient who needs to receive this spreadsheet. If you also want a copy of this email sent to yourself for your records, check the box that says Send yourself a copy. This can be helpful for keeping track of what you've shared and when. Below that, you'll see fields for subject and message. If you'd like to add a personalized subject line or include a message explaining what the spreadsheet contains or why you're sending it, go ahead and type that information in. This adds context for the recipient and makes your email more professional. Now comes an important step. You need to choose the file type in which you want to send the spreadsheet. You'll see options like PDF, OpenOffice spreadsheet, or Microsoft Excel. Select the format that works best for your recipient. PDF is great for viewing only, while Excel or OpenOffice formats allow for editing. Once you've made your selection, click Send, and that's it. You've successfully sent your Google Forms responses from Google Sheets to an email. The recipient will receive the file in the format you specified, and they can open it right away to view or work with the data. This method streamlines sharing and ensures everyone has access to the information they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.